I am outside right now, and as you can see, visibility is very low because, because we're having a blizzard in Chicago! Anyways, since that lady who got like 1 million+ views on her YouTube decided she wanted to videotape herself about the weather, I thought I'd be in the nitty-gritty of it. So here it is. As you can see, that's the church up there? You can't even really see it because it's just so, visibility is so poor. I can't imagine driving right now. It's really cold out here. The snow is coming down pretty fast, as you can see. My shoes are full of snow. My boots. The winds, they're saying that the winds are going up to 50 miles per hour, and it might be more. It might be more at nighttime. At nighttime, they said it's gonna be really, really, really bad. So, if you're in the Chicagoland area, you should probably stay in your homes. Make sure you have all your water or your food because they're saying it's like Y2K all over again. I'm just kidding. But it's really bad. And I think maybe because I've been in China so long and they don't have bad weather like this. I mean, they do have bad weather, but not this bad. I'm just kind of like, it's okay. It's gonna be fine. No. So, yeah, it kind of sucks. But, anyways, so it's really bad out here. And I'm probably not gonna stay out here too much longer because my hands feel like they're freezing. But, word of advice, those who are in the Chicagoland area, stay safe, stay indoors, don't be like me, come outside and be crazy, but I'm gonna be crazy because that's just how I am. Crazy is my middle name. Anyways, so once again, I will show you snowing like mad. Look at the wind. It's blowing my little hand thing for my camera. It's blowing it. God, my hands are freezing. Look at that train. Anyways, I feel like Dorothy. I feel like I'm gonna blow away soon. So, oh God. Yeah. So, this has been the weather report brought to you by Divolicious Station 95.3. I'm sorry. Anyways, I gotta go because it's freezing. Anyways, okay. Bye. It's really, really bad out here. Like, you can't see anything. It's gotten a lot worse, you guys. And it's unbearably cold. And the winds are blowing like ridiculously. I can't even talk. Ridiculously so. I don't even know why I'm doing this. I guess I'm so enthralled by everything. Yeah, Mom's not coming home tonight. Because Daddy said he can't go out to get her. You can't even see like the train tracks. Like there are train tracks over there. You can't even see them. Jeez. Okay. Well, I'm stopping for real this time because it's crazy. Bye.